Hello, respectable audience. I have a question 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 16 divided by 132. And we have to solve this question without using calculator. And remember that this question has only division, so we have to move from left to right. 1 by 2 as it is, divide is changed into multiplication, and 1 by 4 is flipped, we will get 4, and remaining portion will remain unchanged. So 1 by 16 as it is, and divided by 1 by 32 as it is. Okay, now move forward. 2 and 4 are cancelled, we will get 2. 1 times 2 will be equal to 2 divided by 1 by 16 divided by 1 by 32. Again we have to move from left to right. So 2 as it is, divide is changed into multiplication, and 1 by 16 is flipped, we will get 16 divided by 1 by 32. So 16 times 2, it will be 32 divided by 1 by 32. Again apply KCF rule. 32 as it is, divide is changed into multiplication, and 1 by 32 is flipped, we will get 32. Here it is square of 32, means we can write 32 as 30 plus 2, and also this 32 as 30 plus 2. Now we will multiply 30 times 30, it will be 900, and 30 times 2, it will be 60. Now 2 times 30, it will be 60, and 2 times 2, it will be 4. Now add these three numbers, we will get 900, 60, 60 and 4. We will get 4. 6 plus 6, 12. So 1 is carried out. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So 1, 0, 2, 4 will be our answer without using calculator. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.